Hello, today is Sunday and I'm moving in again because I didn't bring that much stuff, but the room is like way bigger than I thought. There's also kind of some things that I didn't bring. I bought a kettle and a toaster for everyone, so they're gonna pay me back hopefully. But yeah, I've just been really stressed, like Freshers Week as a Christian. I don't know how that's gonna go, but anyway. So then I got loads of books from the library, and I also got my free stethoscope and lab coat and book. What a dream. Put that in my cupboard. My free lab coat, so I'll be wearing for dissections. So I just wanted to like unfold it. So it's the Howie style one, where it's like neck deep, you know, no juices going anywhere. Okay, so it's definitely too big, but that's fine. That is absolutely. I'm having some vitamin C immunity tea and this breakfast yogurt that's got like granola in it. 63p for a £1.40, and I'm having all my vitamins. The BMA came, I got my membership. Yes, this is my peas in a cup of boiling water. I need to go to the shop. Hello, today was my first day of medical school. It was crazy and I didn't want to go to the freshers thing like where everyone's drinking, but it's just like a mixer, so I ended up going with some girls that I found out were Christian, and I went, and then there I finally spoke to those people there, and everyone knows like YouTube. They already watched my videos, they subscribed, they watched my videos, and I'm like, how? Like, it's actually so crazy, but wow, who would have thought? So now I feel like I need to start vlogging again because everyone clearly already knows who I am. They already know everything, which is so weird. But anyway, yeah, I'm in my room. I've been so shook. Like today was just like the introductory. We went to the BMA, the BMJ, the Medical Defence Union about like indemnity. Yeah, just seeing everyone in the lecture hall thinking we're gonna be here for 5 years. It's such an honour. And yeah, I'm shook, but it's literally like 10 something 11 now, so I'm going to sleep, shower. These rooms are thin, so my roommate can definitely hear me, and the kitchen is right there. Everyone can hear me, but at this point they already know. So my skin got so spotty in America. It's actually crazy. Like I don't think I've been this spotty since I was very young. Yeah, there's so many people that are 20, there's so many people that are 19, and that is a slay. Like I think everyone that does a gap year is slaying, so I'm glad that there's lots of people. I was so worried I'd be the only one, but I'm not. But this time yesterday I was so shook, but today I'm loving life, and I'm really grateful to be here. I'm just excited to be Dr. Leah in training for 5 years. So I've just had my morning lectures and they were actually so amazing. We had introductions to all the lectures. We're gonna have like physiology, anatomy, embryology, immunology, histology, like everything, pathology. Like I'm so excited, and I like spoke to the lecturers after. I was like, which book did you mention, because they were talking too fast. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and go to the library and get the book they said. Period. Gave us BMA bags, so I'm going to show you what's in it. I am a member of the BMA, the British Medical Association, and inside the medical defence cup, a brooch, some papers. Oh wow, this is thick, that's nice. Membership, trade union, membership, and my first copy of the BMJ student. So the Sharp Scratch podcast by the BMJ for years, and it's so nice to have the magazine. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the library quickly and try and get another book. I already got 3, but we have to keep going. We have to keep going before everyone goes and takes all of them. I secured all my books. This is my 7th book, and I have a lecture in 10 minutes, so maybe I shouldn't have come now, but no, couldn't be wasting any time, period. So it's 1:30 now, library hall. So most importantly, I got these flashcards, and I need to buy these to be honest, but I thought, wow, the library has flashcards, like that is so good. So yeah, I'll definitely try see if these are good or if I need to get like a different version or edition. But my friend has these. Shout out to Annie. Can't close that later. Then I have this one, letters. I have grades and letters, so I'm so glad I could get this in the library. I was gonna buy that as well. Then I got Crash Course Anatomy, which is very concise. Oh, not it being dirty. And then I got this one. Maybe I shouldn't have got this one. Then I went to the mixers, we had our juice, our non-alcoholic drinks. It was so cute making friends with people. So it's nearly 5 o'clock now, finished lectures. Today was very positive, love them. Now I'm going to go to dodgeball. I was meant to go to bowling, but that's completely sold out. We went to the free juice slash mixers, whatever it was, and I went with some Muslim girlies, so we just had the juice and it was so cute with the ice and everything. Hi, we're at the gym now. Hi guys! Hi, so today is Tuesday, the second day of the lectures, freshers lectures. Sorry. Oh wow, look at those arms. We're here at the bowling and we're in like somewhere really far away. Yeah. So we went in the casino thing. It was so cute, so many games. Yeah, he had to put the sides up for us. Get ready, get ready. Okay. Then we went and ordered some vegan food. It was so good in there. Like, there was professional bowlers near us, so we were literally having so much fun, like comparing ourselves. Okay, so we got the sauces now. Here's my food. Hello, I'm in the bathroom of the bowling. First of all, I nearly won. I lost by like 1 point. I was leading the whole game and then he had a strike. So basically I won. But I've been having so much fun today. I'm so happy. The best things are spontaneous. Like, I had so much fun today and literally we were doing the monkey bars and then Charmaine called us up like, we have spare tickets to go bowling. So we all got in, we ran through the rain to get here. It's been so fun to meet all the midwives and the nurses as well, so period. This area is like way cheaper than my hometown, which is so nice. No, we were actually so unserious at this point, but yeah. We were having fun, playing bowling in different ways. We were a bit scared it would go through, but it still was kind of good. Then it was kind of a 1v1, me versus Beatrice. And I can't lie, she beat me by the last second. I keep leading people the wrong way. The next day, freshers, they had free ice cream, free crepes, free chips, everything. And then we went to the shop. We just went to the shops, I got some food, got some spring onions, so I'm finally getting some vegetables. And Victoria bought some mochi, so I'm going to be trying that. This is great flavour, I'm going to try. It's good. Today was crazy. Today was crazy. Whoa. I literally have 3,000 followers, but tell me why literally everyone already knows about my channel. They know who I am, they've watched my videos, they've been subscribed. I got some reduced salad from, Co-op even. Co-op are so expensive. Vegan sushi looks so boring, but this is also reduced. So this is the luxurious dinner, so healthy. I need something for my gut. Like, honestly, it's easy to eat too much of the same thing. Like, no me up. I'm gonna go to karaoke right now in the student union, so see you later. I can't lie, this was a very shocking experience, but I wanted to try in America, and the fact they had it for Freshers Fair, woo! It was crazy. We went around all the stalls, joined those societies, and then we got to make a smoothie. We got free chips. That was the vegan one. Look how good that meat one looks, honestly. Today is the Freshers Fair. It was so fun meeting all the older years, getting everything. I have everything. I even got a coach voucher. Like, can you believe it? I'll be going home for free. Return trip. I got 20% JD voucher. So everything's going well. Now I'm wearing my coat because we're gonna go ice skating and I'm so excited. I love ice skating. What a fun day. It's the last like full Freshers Day for me because tomorrow I'm going home until Tuesday because of the Queen. Rest in peace. Ice skating, oh my gosh. It's so freezing here. I really love ice skating. I was practicing going backwards. I was trying to do spins. Like, it was so fun. We're here ice skating. Everyone's here, like all of the medical society, and it's so fun. And like we've literally been here for 2 hours.
Yeah. Oh my
Like
God.
we've been doing a lot of ice skating. I was really trying, but I couldn't vlog and skate. We've been here for officially 2 hours and 15 minutes. We've met so many people, and we're gonna leave now. Hopefully you can hear me, but yeah, this has been so fun. We had freshers fair, and that was amazing. So my flatmate was gonna buy a present for her sibling. Then I went home for the weekend and went to the Luna concert in London. It was exactly what I needed, a bit of normality. I've been looking forward to this for so long, and honestly they slayed. But yeah, Freshers Week, university, I've been absolutely loving it. I feel so grateful to be a medical student. Obviously, as a upcoming medical professional, I'm like been re-evaluating how I've been making videos and what I want my future to be in terms of YouTube. But yeah, I'm still hoping to keep posting videos, and hopefully you'll keep enjoying them. Yeah, like the parasocial relationship of people knowing who you are from YouTube, it was crazy, but I've gone over it now. It's now like basically November. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll see my next vlog. I'm always filming so much, it's just the editing. Bye.